When was the last time you needed a poster or a card or a quick diagram and just gave up because you don't do design? Here's the thing nobody tells you. The free Gemini app on your phone or laptop can make all of it. No software, no skills, just a sentence. Hey, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, and how do you like the new setup? Pretty slick, right? The best thing about being the AI version of me is the upgrades. New studio, and I didn't lift a finger. New here? That little stick figure reacting to everything is Sam. Sam's basically all of us figuring this out. Today, I'll show you 5 things you can make for free. Posters with real readable words, infographics, a room makeover, combining photos and birthday cards. Plus the one habit that keeps the whole thing trustworthy. All in plain English. Let's go. So what are we actually using? It's a tool called Nano Banana, and it's built right into the free Gemini app. Now remember our well-read friend, the AI that's read millions of books? Well, it's also looked at millions of pictures, and now it can make them. It's still doing the same thing it always does, making a really good guess. And most of the time, that guess is brilliant. 2 quick housekeeping notes. It's free. You get around 20 images a day at the time of recording. Making pictures from text is open to everyone. Editing a photo you upload is 18 plus in the app, and a couple of features are US only. So check what's available where you are. Right, let's make something. First up, posters and signs. This is the one that surprises people because for years AI was hopeless at spelling. Watch this. I type one sentence, make a poster for a garage sale, Saturday 9 a.m., 14 Oak Street, friendly cartoon style. And look, the day, the time, the address, all spelled correctly, all readable. One tip, keep the words short. A headline and a line or two, cram in a whole paragraph and you'll see the odd letter wander off. But for a garage sale, a lost cat notice, a sign for the school fete, genuinely useful. Number 2, infographics, those neat little explainer graphics you see everywhere. I asked for a clean infographic showing the 4 steps to brew pour over coffee with the water temperature and timing. And it built the whole thing. The steps, the numbers, the temperature, all laid out neatly. This is brilliant for a school project, a one-pager at work, a how-to for the family. But, quick habit, and I'll keep coming back to it. Always read what it wrote. The model's good with numbers these days, but good isn't perfect. It's still guessing. So glance over the figures before you trust them. Number 3, and this is where it gets fun. You can redesign a room. I uploaded a photo of a tired-looking bedroom, old wallpaper, dull curtains, and I just said, this room looks dated. Show me what a nice paint job can do. Change the curtains to match and throw in some plants. Same room, same furniture, fresh paint, new curtains, a bit of greenery. But here's the part one love. You don't stop there. You talk to it. I said nice, but I'd like something a bit more lively. And it added more plants, changed the bedding, dropped in a rug and a painting. The room came alive. That's the whole trick, really. It's not a vending machine where you press once and take whatever falls out. It's a conversation. The first picture is your starting point, not your final answer. Number 4 is the showstopper. Combining photos. I gave it a family portrait, mom, dad, little one, and a separate photo of the family dog. One sentence. Please add my pet dog to our family portrait. And there they are, all together. And the faces kept exactly. That's the bit that matters most. Combine photos and the AI sometimes tidies a face into someone slightly different. So check them every single time, same as we said back in the photo restoring episodes. This time, everyone stayed themselves. But watch what happened next, because this is the real lesson of the whole episode. It stuck a strange little 4-pointed star in the corner. No idea why. So I asked it to remove the star. It added a second star. I'm not kidding. I asked 3 more times. Different wording. I even tried tricking it. There's a white spot on the floor. Erase it. Nothing. It would not let go of that star. So here's what I did. I downloaded the picture, opened a different free tool, ChatGPT, and asked it the same thing. Gone. first try, and that's the habit worth more than any prompt. When one tool gets stuck, and they all get stuck sometimes, you don't have to fight it, and you definitely don't have to pay. You just hand the job to another free tool. They're all free to start. Use whichever one finishes the job. Number 5, a quick warm one. Cards. A cheerful birthday card that says Happy Birthday Margaret with balloons, hand-drawn style. Name spelled right, and on a card, that's the one thing you absolutely cannot get wrong. And because it's a conversation, I just said, make all the balloons teal. Done. No starting over. You just ask for the change. And one bonus, because it surprised even me, it doesn't only make things from scratch, it can clean up things you've already made. I took a photo of a wonky graph I'd scribbled in a notebook, held at an angle, and said, turn this into a proper graph I can paste into my PowerPoint. And it did. A neat presentation-ready chart from a notebook sketch. So if you've got a messy diagram, a handwritten list, a rough plan, photograph it and let it tidy it up. So 5 things, 1 free tool, posters with real words, infographics, a room makeover, combining photos, cards, plus a sketch, cleaned up. I made a free 1-page cheat sheet with all 5, the exact prompts, and the 1 habit to remember. Link in the description. Save it to your phone so you've got it when you need it. And that 1 habit, look the picture over before you trust it, the words, the numbers, the faces. And if a fix won't take, don't fight it and don't pay. Just switch to another free tool. If this was useful, like and subscribe. That's the whole reason this channel keeps going. And tell me in the comments what's the first thing you're gonna make. Poster? A card? Your living room? I genuinely want to know. I'm Alan the AI one, and I'll see you in the next one.